Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this template 25-inch touchscreen special for BMW X1 F48 2016 to 2017 years. Okay, it supports iDrive. Okay, you can check this front panel. Okay, let me check. You can check here is this dash kit frame. Okay. And you can check this kit and this kit, two kits. This is from NBT System X1 BMW X1 F48 2016 to 2017 years. Okay, it's let me check this GPS antenna. This is GPS antenna, come with head unit. Please use our GPS antenna. Okay, you can check this GPS antenna. This you can connect this plug. Is for GPS antenna. Please use our GPS antenna because it will. If doesn't, it will cause the problem. It's GPS, this radio antenna, and you can check this front panel. Back, okay. Let me check the back. This audio cable. You can connect this plug connector. Okay, connected. It's back. Okay, let me introduce the harness. You can check this audio cable. Connect this position. Okay, you can check this video out 1 and video out 2. It supports video out RC type. Okay, this is external microphone. Okay, and AUX left and right input. Left and right input AUX. Okay, this DVR video in. It's video in. Okay, this is video in, also video in. Okay, this audio cable. Let me introduce other connector. Let me find this connector. This connector connects this position. Okay, these two USB cable. Head unit come with two USB cable. Okay, let me introduce the harness. The harness connects this position. This position you can check. Connect this position is harness. This harness comes with. You can check this video. This backup camera. It's back rear camera. It's video input, RCA type. Okay, there is a camera 12 voltage camera. It's red wire. Okay, this is detect wire. Camera detect wire. Okay, this is the backup camera. Okay, let me introduce the harness. You can check this harness, this fuse box filter. Okay, and here is video out, audio out, cable, and these two plugs is special for the BMW X1. You can check. Okay, and this one. Okay, this is the original plug. Okay, it's come with GPS antenna. It's GPS antenna and this port connector, and this is the audio cable. Okay, let me connect the power 12 voltage. Let me use the original power 12 voltage. This test wire, test cable. Okay, make sure connect is real. Okay, here is the dash kit. This comes with header unit. Let me put on. You need to make sure. Okay. Okay, let me check. Okay, let me power 12 voltage. The header unit will be start. It shows BMW logo. You also can change this start logo in factory settings. If you have any more questions, you can visit our website belsee.com to contact us if you have problem or questions. belsee.com. Okay, this is ACC memory. When you have this UI interface. It's a very fast response, and all apps you can choose here. Let me adjust. Okay. All apps in here. It's built in the Google Maps. Built Google Maps and Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. Okay, let me back to home. Okay, you have music, Bluetooth, navigation, file manage, car info, browser, video, DVR settings, dashboard, and phone link. It supports connect mirror screen, same screen from your phone. It's Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, support iPhone Wi-Fi. Okay. Let me check the settings. System info. You can check this PX3 processor, Android 7.1 Nougat system. Okay. And you can check this RAM 2 GB and Nash flash is 32 GB. This RAM 2 GB. Okay. We're back. You also can check the settings. It supports Wi-Fi. Back. You can check about device. Model is PX3. Android version is 7.1 Nougat. Okay, let me take the home. And other information. Okay, this head unit also supports changing the UI. You can change the settings. I will introduce the next video. Okay, this car info, it will show the parking sensor and other factory information. It supports iDrive. This is volume. Okay, thank you. I will make a review next video. Okay, thank you.